Alright, world. Just wanted to share a moment, really. Maybe trying to share that sometimes you need to have a cry. Yeah. Just feel like a failure. Don't really feel like I've achieved much in life. And just last 12 months have been really hard. So some nights I just have a cry. And the main reason I wanted to share it is to try and help. And show that, I'm not ashamed to cry and to share and to be open about it. Just been watching a video about just being depressed and not being able to feel and not being able to feel joy and happiness and all the things that you normally feel before you sort of become depressed or anxious or whatever you want to label it as. And I've been fighting, especially this last 12 months, to feel again, to become present and connect with people. And maybe crying is part of the recovery. Say it to my mum, like if I didn't cry about it, then maybe I wouldn't heal. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that. It's not much to maybe learn from it, other than don't be afraid to have a cry and scream like I've screamed so much tonight, and sort of feel better in a way. Each time I cry, it's just getting a bit of emotion out. You may want to know what the tears are about, but quite simply, my life shifted 12 months ago. I come out of a relationship, and the low points and the journey that I've been on, it's not simply because of a relationship breakdown. It's years and years and years of negative emotions building up. So it's a big story, but it's all part of my journey. And I have got faith that the better days are ahead. It's hard. It's hard. I feel like I'm appearing very victimised in this video. And I'm certainly not a victim. But the message is, don't be afraid to cry, because I think it can help. It shows that you're alive, it shows that you're feeling. Embrace it, get it out, and as long as it takes, is as long as it takes. But you don't want to spend too much time crying and bitching about your situation. But if you like me and there's no sort of clear path for the future, and all you're trying to do is just reconnect and feel, that's a hard journey, but I'm gonna keep going, and I'm confident that great days are ahead. Anyone who's watching this video, I hope you're good, and hope you take something from it. It's just a man in a very difficult part of his life who's just opening up and just saying, I don't know what to do with my life, and it's hard not knowing, but I'm still standing, I'm still, every day working on myself and getting myself back to, being present and connecting with other people. And then I'm taking steps in the right direction to move forward. So God bless, and don't be afraid to cry. Keep going. God bless.